Hi, Don here, SnapItUpCanada.com. I got an iRobot Roomba. I'm not certain what model number. I can't seem to find it. Anyway. Oh, just ran out of battery. We have not fully charged this. We have put a bit of a charge in it just to show it working. So the battery is taking a charge, although we don't know how long it's going to last. So we've never fully charged it. Anyway, iRobot Roomba, Don Hedlund, SnapItUpCanada.com, and thanks for looking.